going in a new setting, and this new setting will be very happy, will lead a very happy corner in our life. Enter into the new phase in life. People are very excited for every new phase in life. So this excitement is a childish, ignorant excitement, which is because one is so frustrated with the present phase. So he feels that okay, the new phase will bring colors in my life. So you see a child, he's very happy playing with his toys and tricycle and all that. But then he gets admission into a school and he's very happy. Oh, I got admission into school and like that. I still remember I got admission into school, class first, and I was so happy in life because it was a very rigorous test. To collect the form, the parents were polling and doing loops of the school for a month or so, and some rumor will come, okay, forms will be released very soon, and they are very limited forms, and that much only they will distribute test amongst those boys and they take, otherwise you cannot enter. That is the principle. So it was polling for a month, and then some rumor will come, forms putne wala hai, and they have to leave everything and stand there for 6 hours, and then they realize aaj nahi pata, like that. So like that 1, 2, 3 and it was hit. So my father done that, he got a form, like that, and then there was a test. So that test went very bad, They had asked some general knowledge here and there, So that way, There was a question about rivers. That's the only question I remember. And so they had asked somewhere that Haridwar which river flows or something like that. The question was there. Varanasi which river flows, like that. So we were in Lucknow, so I knew that in Lucknow Gomti flows. They did not ask that question. So I thought, okay, because Gomti is flowing here, Gomti flows everywhere. So I wrote Gomti. Logical. But for me, Gomti was all I knew. Here, Gomti flows everywhere. So I came out from the exam, and there was one Sardar, small boy, and he asked, कैसे गया तुम्हारा exam? ठीक है, कर दिया. भगवान की दया से दे दिया. बोला इसका क्या आंसर लिखा है where this river, what river flows? I said Gomti, Should I Gomti? Ganges is the right answer, And I became so morose, I started crying. There only were tears in my eyes. My paper was very bad. So I was just thinking I have devastated now. My paper went very bad. I started crying. My mother father came, they picked me up, they said, "Isko kya ho gaya becha?" So they first gave me an ice cream. Said, "Pehले ye khao tum." Uske baad kuch answer. And said he made my paper go wrong. That's Sardar. What do you think of him, sir? He made my paper go wrong, and I was so morose. I remember that incident. I was so morose, I was crying, I was not going home also, and I had thrown my bag and bottle on the ground and I was crying. So anyways, parents are encouraging. They don't worry. So the result was supposed to come after 10-15 days. I was then after 10-15 days the result came and I was selected with the school, and I was so happy, I was selected. So when I saw the letter, I became so happy. 3 hours I slept off. Peacefully, like that. So anyway, this Sardar didn't got selected. Sardar made the paper go wrong. And the point was the Sardar didn't got selected. So obviously not much envious algorithms we had, because as a child what algorithms we had. But I was happily satisfied. But the point is, I am making a point that we really don't know what happens in life. Now my father struggled so hard to get that admission at St. Francis, like that, but he only got transferred. So he was transferred to Dehradun. So person always, so because till class fourth, we used to think that people used to treat us like very small kids, so we used to feel very bad. In class fifth, you start using pens, ink pens. So very excited for that phase. Okay, ink pens, like that. Little big, it's a sign up. And class 6, from chaddi you can wear pants, So otherwise you are only chaddi chap, And people treat chaddi like that, The person always sees a new face, will always bring some new things. And we were very excited about class 6. Why? Because class 6 was a new building block, and class 6 so many new subjects were there, And I was thinking, geography, I'll get 100 on 100. History, physics. Physics will start 6 hours. Yeah, physics will start 6 hours.
Physics and board. Physics and board. Science, physics, chemistry, or biology?
No, physics will start, physics, chemistry, and biology will start from class 6 to us. ICSE. Will start from class 6. Yeah, I remember. There's so many subjects. This one I'll crack it. This one. So it was very, like that. And remember, every year, by the end of the year, I used to get fed up, with the teacher and the subjects. And the next year, I used to be very excited. New books. Today only I'll study and finish it off. That was the kind of feelings I should come. New book, I was studying today only on maths. I would start solving and all that. Like that. The new books have come and I would start studying. So like that actually. So person always feels that actually the new phase is going to give me, similarly people, person thinks okay, then what is the next phase of newness? 11th. Yeah, 11th is a new phase again. I don't think so, okay, PCM, PCB, so on, like that. Then 11th, 12th, says okay, now I'm going to engineering, like that. And how people feel they're entering the IT gate, dedicated to service automation. And person feels, yes, I also been dedicated, like that. But people at different costs. Some people think I'll be dedicated to fish marine, because I work hard a lot. Some people think, deep sea, some people think various things. So the point is that a new phase, one is always very excited. That goes to show that every phase one is hollow. At least this much is proved. Hollow. पर्सन इंजीनियरिंग थिंग्स कब खत्म होगा, पार होगा, ये कहाँ उस जीवन, उस जगह, उस प्रोफेसर, सब फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट फिर वही असाइनमेंट, मिड सेम, एंड सेम, 7:30, 5:30 है कि नहीं, 3 credits, 6 credits है कि नहीं. It's like that actually. Isn't that? This is the case with everyone. I see even professors are like that. They come, the first session, they are speaking as if this course is going to be the rock thing, and we'll explore this and we'll explore that. This new avenue of technology, this cutting edge and this age and that age. The next class से class चालू होता है and someday he's just dragging on, and someday he says, today I'll end early. And someday something. So when it comes to an end, you again see a smile on their face. Yeah, I don't know whether you observe professors. You again see a very big smile on their face. Like one professor last class, last semester I was seeing. So he was telling it was the last class, and he ended the class. He said, okay, generally, what I do is that when the course ends, I go to Subway and I drink coffee to celebrate. And if you like, you can come with me. In a grand style, a cup of coffee, खत्म हो गया है क्या है? So 1-2 months of some break, and then again the same routine starts for them. So that way actually. So you see, this goes to show that one simply thrives in hollowness actually. Person feels I'll come to job life so nice. I'll have money power. है ना? सोने आता है, money तो आता ही नहीं. पावर बॉस का चलता है और मनी आता नहीं है ना। Isn't it? क्या आता है और कहाँ चला जाता है पता नहीं ना। इजी में भी नहीं जाता है, किधर जाता है पता नहीं। ठीक है, इट्स नॉट इजी, इजी में जाता नहीं है। So, and then people are dreaming when I am married with students. So, person is always in a state of hollowness. Therefore, which phase in life can we name? Where we took things in our hand, and that was, and we experienced completeness. Hardly any phase we can feel in life. So, what we understand from that is that things are beyond our control. And simply by taking things unnecessarily or holding on to controllership of things, what we do is that we simply invite more problems in our life. Can we ever enjoy this is it? This is the activity I am doing, let this activity continue. See, our Acharya say like that, Mama Janmani, Janmanishu, Bhavatata Bhaktirani. Let me go on doing this seva. People think, let me get the next promotion. एक और अटेम्प्ट, एक और चांस मिल जाए बस, तो दिखा देंगे, मचा देंगे. लोगों से नहीं देता है. So therefore, the pathway of liberation starts with the point of dependence on the higher controls. And that is why the Lord is so confidently making the statement here in this section when we are reading. So what we are reading is that the Lord is so confidently making the statement. Yes, if you cannot practice karma yoga, you think it's so difficult, you practice karma kanda, and that will in turn bring you back. Why? Because karma kanda is acknowledgement of dependence. Sometimes we think, kya hai karma kanda? You know? You say karma kanda like that when you have crossed over it. Is it not? Like one may say, kya nursery, na? Humpty Dumpty had a fall, sat on the wall. उसमें क्या बड़ी बात है ना? For the child it's very big thing, लेकिन but now people who have cracked JEE, they can say, क्या JEE? मेहनत करो, निकलता है. इतने लोगों को तो क्रैक होता है, तुम्हारा भी हो जाएगा क्या है? उस बेचारे का सर क्रैक हो रहा है ना? तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा, सर तो क्रैक हो रहा है, JEE क्रैक होगा कि नहीं ना? Is it not? So similarly, the students they crack JEE, they come and they are reaching, job होगा कि नहीं, फिर कोई आता है Microsoft से, मेहनत कर, हो जाए, इतना क्या टेंशन है? Like that, huh? So if you cross over something, then you can say, oh, क्या है? Like that. But for a person who is facing the hurdle, that is all in all, उसको तो और कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है लाइफ में, is it not? Okay, for some serious nothing, तो then क्या assignment, cut copy paste, like it is. Or exam 2 days, like it, the day before the exam and the day of the exam. इतना क्या टेंशन है, like it? And so easily you can get a 9. Some people feel like that. अभी कोई बेचारा 5.5 है in Toto, है कि नहीं? With a 6er of Fs, है ना? अब उसको बोलेंगे अरे थोड़ा सा मेहनत करो आराम से आ जाता है सीधी ना. For him it's a holocaust. For him he is not seeing anything, It's like an ocean for him. किधर चालू हुआ, किधर एंड हुआ, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. Is it that? So material world is like that. The same thing is a puddle, the same thing is an ocean. Because it is a perverted motion. So this perverted notion creates the havoc actually. Same thing is puddle, same thing is ocean. See the duality of this world. Huh? Some people die in inferiority, some people die in superiority. Huh? Huh? Like that. Huh? Same thing. ये साइड में ये प्रॉब्लम, वो साइड में वो प्रॉब्लम. Duality is like that. So therefore we understand that. So the understanding that we really don't understand is the perfection of understanding. And that understanding is what takes us further. Just like, so that is what dependence is, the first algorithm which Shastras prescribe. They said whatever you want, you depend on the right sources. किचन की परिक्रमा करोगे तो कुछ खाने को मिलेगा, कारखाने की परिक्रमा करोगे तो क्या खाओगे, है ना? है ना? बोलेगा नहीं कारखाने, है ना, लाइक यदि हम वर्ड मैचिंग करें तो कारखाना वर्ड का मैचिंग परसेंटेज ज़्यादा है ना, खाने से कारखाना. किचन में खाना नहीं आ रहा है. If you do, you know, this is called a natural language processing, you know, tokenization, you know, like that. So word matching, you know. So if you do word matching algorithms, they will say more closer is कारखाना to खाना. Ultimately you need खाना ना. So कारखाना is a place because super set है. खाने को भी मिलेगा, कार भी मिलेगा फिर तो. So you see like that. So therefore a half understanding approach is like that. तो बोलेंगे किचन का कुछ मैचिंग ही नहीं है, एक अक्षर मैच नहीं कर रहा है, किचन में कैसे खाना बन सकता है ना. See, this is the modern day approach to again life actually. So modern day material algorithms मतलब वो superficial जाके टुक मार के आ जाता है ना. And that's all what they do. And therefore there is problem. ये समझा ही नहीं अंदर क्या है कि नहीं. Fluffing in ढोल and depth में गोल, you know. So that is the material situation. ठीक है. So therefore, dependence makes us deeper. So karma kanda rests on dependence. And the Lord is telling कोई परेशानी नहीं है. आपसे नहीं हो रहा है योगा offering. You are not able to offer to me. You tell me what you want. वो भी चलेगा ना. पहले मैं आपको देता हूँ, फिर आपको समझ में आएगा, फिर जो भी है वापस आएगा. इसको बोलते हैं. So that is the point actually. Because Krishna sees everything as from a relationship point of view. That okay, this is a relationship. Krishna says, okay, you cannot offer to me, I will offer to you. आप ददाती नहीं कर सकते, प्रतिघनाती एक्सेप्ट करो कम से कम. And that's how, है कि नहीं? So you see the Lord as a perfect follower of all the principles of loving Priti Lakshana. And here, as an explanation of that, the Lord is saying, ठीक है, you cannot offer to me, I am offering to you. कोई बात नहीं. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? आ जाओ. And the Lord is telling, you cannot feed me, I am feeding you. See? Priti Lakshana. Krishna is playing his role perfectly. Just try to see what is Krishna. So try to understand Krishna Tattva. The heart of Lord Krishna is so beautiful. And the Lord is saying, ठीक है, I have a relationship and let me invest. So you see, this is the principle. And whatever we know what to do to be carriers of Krishna message, this only, again. So like we go for preaching, उसके पास जाते हैं, बोलते हैं I am not very interested, but let me try. देखते हैं. And then we understand, ये थोड़ा समझ नहीं रहा है इतना आसानी से, हाँ? तो देन क्या करना पड़ता है, उसको खिलाना पड़ता है. तुम खाओ बस, टेंशन मत लो. डाउट आ रहा है कोई बात नहीं, खाओ पहले तो, प्रसाद खाओ. उसको खिलाते हैं, उसको सहलाते हैं. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. लाइक दैट, है कि नहीं? खिलाते हैं, सहलाते हैं, है कि नहीं? पढ़ाते भी हैं, है कि नहीं? सो प्रीति लक्षणम इट इज एक्चुअली. Following Krishna strategy. And after some time he says, ठीक है, क्या चाहिए? And he said, ठीक है, अभी मैंने आपको खिलाया, पढ़ाया, सहलाया, है ना? है कि नहीं? अभी आप माला घुमाओ. है कि नहीं? है ना? ऐसा है. पहले माला घुमाते हैं. That is first symptom of reciprocation back. है ना? फिर मंगल आरती में घुमाते हैं. गोल गोल घूमो. है क्या देगा? राइट? और फिर बोलते हैं अब हमने बहुत खिलाया, अब आप हमको खिलाओ ना. आपका एक ब्रेकफास्ट कुकिंग, सब्जी कटिंग, एक दिन चपाती मेकिंग और एक दिन राइस एंड मेकिंग. ठीक है क्या नहीं? हरे कृष्ण. See, this is प्रीति लक्षणम है. इसलिए कभी भी कुकिंग सेवा शुड बी सीन इन दैट पर्सपेक्टिव. भगवान ने हमको इतना खिलाया है, अभी हमको मौका मिल रहा है ना, लेकिन कुछ तो प्रेम का आस्वादन हम आदान प्रदान करने का, लेकिन कभी तो करना चाहिए. तो लाइक दैट एक्चुअली, यू सी, ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द हार्ट ऑफ द सुप्रीम पर्सनैलिटी ऑफ गॉड. देयरफॉर द लॉर्ड इज टेलिंग कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. You see material world, if you tell him कि भाई साहब क्या है, हम बिजनेस करेंगे, लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम है. प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि हम आपको एक पैसा नहीं दे पा रहे हैं. Suppose you are doing a deal, you're purchasing car, you go to the dealer, he said I cannot give you, I don't have any money, but you give me the car, ना? तो क्या बोलेगा ना? इसे था, शेरे बेकार बट, इसे था. So the point is that you see. And here the Lord is telling, आप नहीं दे पा रहे हैं आपको कुछ, कोई बात नहीं, हम आपको देते. Just accept, just accept. Many times we see the Lord is wanting to help us, and the nature situations are wanting to help us. And the only mantra which the Lord is inspiring is that just accept. मैं दे रहा हूँ ना, just accept. And the person says नहीं, my way. Lord is telling तू खाना ही है ना, मैं दे रहा हूँ ना, why did you accept? Not like that. So we see it is like that. So many times we see that. So this is the beginning of karma kanda. The Lord is telling you just accept, acknowledge and accept. Is it not? And therefore the Lord is telling the demigods are going to supply to you. कितना टेंशन क्यों ले रहे हो? Very deep tension, ना? कर लो नहीं नहीं, टेंशन नहीं लिया तो खाना तो नहीं होता. So this is, you see how beautiful is the setup of the Lord, na? And how loving is the setup of the Lord. So karma kanda starts from this stage actually. Therefore don't think that karma kanda is a very lowly principle actually. Many times we see, so we have all these algorithms, bhakti algorithm, shuddha bhakti, Anyabhilashita Shunyam, and Jnana Bhakti, and Karma Yoga Bhakti, and Karma Kanda, like that. And many times you see, that okay, Shuddha Bhakti, Anyabhilashita Shunyam, उसका algorithm run करना है, इसलिए अपने processor का speed ही नहीं आ रहा है ना, और RAM capacity नहीं है, वो algorithm instantiate ही नहीं हो रहा है, run कैसे करेगा ना? वहीं पे अटका हुआ है, प्रोसेसर में से धुआं निकल रहा है ना। अपना रैम इधर उधर किधर का तो ऑक्यूपाइड है, कुछ सगा ही नहीं है ना, तो रन करने का ना। सो देन वी रियलाइज दिस इज व्हाट वी शुड डू। द लॉर्ड इज टेलिंग, रोने मत लगो, रन द नेक्स्ट एल्गोरिथम ना, ठीक है, ज्ञान वाला मारो ना, कुछ समझ याद आ रहा है क्या ना? इससे नहीं, सारे डाटा बेसेस फ्लश हो चुके हैं। क्लियर कमांड है ना, इसे ना, सो कुछ याद ही नहीं आ रहा है ना, लाइक दैट। द लॉर्ड इज टेलिंग ठीक है ना, देन यू अप्लाई कर्म योगा, वो भी परेशानी है, लॉर्ड इज टेलिंग ठीक है, यू अप्लाई कर्म कांड एटलीस्ट। सो दैट इज द पॉइंट actually. So we become too much tensed about a material problem. We ask the Lord, please remove this. What is that? Which algorithm is that? So nothing in bhakti is lowly. Actually, it is also sweet. Actually, isn't it? So therefore, that is the point we have to understand. And therefore, the Lord is telling, "Hey, demigods will give you. Only thing is you have to cooperate." So cooperation requires acceptance or dependence. Isn't that? Otherwise, how do you cooperate and why do you cooperate? Like that. Yes.
Maharaj told that in difficult situation, you should strive for purification.
Yes.
Not for comfort.
Yes.
So, he is asking the comfort, it is only, but we should strive for purification. Maharaj told.
Don't worry. Whatever we are able to do to the best of our capacity, that was okay. Krishna's answer. Too much we don't have to itch and scratch. Is it not? Whatever we are able to do to the best of our capacity, we can do. And Krishna is not denying that, so there is no need to make our own templates. Is it not?
What would be pure devotion in that case?
Pure devotion means remain connected to Krishna.
It's like asking is karmakanda. Not asking and enduring it is pure devotion.
That may not be pure devotion. Not asking the Lord, that's a mistake actually. Sometimes we think that not asking is a very nice thing. Like one is in need, now he needs something and he asks devotees can supply or they can tell he will not or whatever. And like this, a person will not ask. Like I'll tell you, I used to paint temple in Pune when I just started working. So they were not able to make lunch food because they used to make lunch afternoon. So I used to go like that only to company, full trans, like that. So I thought, ठीक है अभी किसी को क्या परेशान करना, चले जाते हैं ना, like that. So one day I went, कुछ खाने को नहीं, तो पानी पी के somehow I would sustain till 6 o'clock, एक दिन हुआ, 2 दिन हुआ, तीसरे दिन इतना खुजली हुआ ना, I was not able to tolerate like that, and finally 4 p.m. in the evening, it was volcano burst out, पानी पी के जीवन, so I went up, I 2 toasts of bread butter I took, like that, and some 3 glasses of mango milkshake I took, then I felt like that, and
Is it when on that level you can do?
so this happened once, फिर 1-2 दिन में फिर ट्रांस दिखाया फिर 2-4 दिन के बाद फिर ब्लास्ट हो गया that day 11 o'clock morning only I went in mango milkshake and some toast of bread and और बोला था छिड़की ऑमलेट ऑक्सर करें इतना फॉल डाउन नहीं हुआ एटलीस्ट अभी तो नहीं हुआ है 15-20 दिन और लगेंगे
अब केटरिंग स्पेशलिटी है, ठीक है अपने पास ही रखो।
Then I was meditating on this incident and I was wondering why artificially I have to do nonsense. No? I need something, better I express. So the point is, then I was making sure that I should have tiffin. And because I had tiffin, then my life was peaceful. Never in life again I went back to that catering out. It is as simple as that. So you see this situation. Therefore, many times you say, okay, I will not ask anything, I will not say anything, I will not, I will just be in trance. No? The problem is, it will come out in ugly ways. So, rather than depending on nonsense avenues, better to depend on the Lord. This is the premise of Karma Kanda. So, does it make sense?
That means even Karmakanda also demands a lot of faith on the Lord.
Obviously. What do you think?
So the same faith is required for you also.
It's a big thing actually. Just like sometimes you tell people, okay, come and work in Transcending Mind, Partha, and any such, Chaitanya Academy or और कौन सा है हनुमान अकेडमी और जो भी है your salary, Narayana, your salary may start with the garden reach name of it's out of our reach. And then you say your salary may start with Vaman but it will become Hanuman, Trivikrama it will become slowly, and mercy algorithms will become Trivikrama, don't worry. So now what is there? Faith. A simple algorithm, faith. And it becomes lot of hustle, bustle, hustle and bustle and tussle again. So Karma Kanda, don't look down upon it. Many times we are not able to live by it also. How is Karma Kanda? Shuddha Bhakti. We should understand what is the meaning of Karma Kanda. Beginning. If internet is given and nobody else is given, then you see where our bhakti algorithms go, You should not, And on that level, we make a statement, Karma Kanda is Nimna, Is it not? And on that level, we make the statement, this is not a devotee, fallen. This person doesn't know bhakti. And what the Lord is telling, don't go. You start somewhere. And everything else, in due course of time, will take shape. This is the point actually. That is why life means what? That we should imbibe each of the avenues very closely in our lives. So that any times we fall, but the culturing and the training is so strong that the next level is not much lower. See Vedic culture, people fall down. उसका फॉल डाउन हुआ मतलब 2:30 बजे की जगह 3 बजे उठ रहा है फॉल डाउन. Like Raghunath Das Goswami is singing his fallen down. क्योंकि बेचारे ने बटर मिल्क पी लिया है ना, तो सिंग आई ड्राइंग बटर मिल्क इज फॉल डाउन है ना. यू सी द कल्चरिंग इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. And then Raghunath Das Goswami feeling so bad, that I am Vishayi, I am a demon. Why? Because I am engaging Radharani in my service. Why? Why? Right? What is the problem? You are sitting and chanting at Radhakund, and in the heat of the sun, and sitting and profusely drenched in sweat, like everybody was chanting and absorbed. So Radharani personally was coming in the chunari, giving him shade. And then Sanatan Goswami came. Sanatan Goswami chastised him. You insensitive, fallen soul, like that. Why don't you build a home for your kutir for yourself, Mahim kutir, And Das Goswami felt very ashamed. Oh, I am such a fallen soul, Oh, I am such a fallen soul, Like it. Good now. So you see, the point is, so the culturing has to be very strong, is it not? That is the point actually. Like say for example, say Parshuram, it is explained that he was killing at the speed of the mind. Parshuram, with this dagger, terrific performance. And then after some time, Lord Parshuram became tired, and he was killing at the speed of wind. See, this is culture, That okay, terrific performance, fall down, still it is wonderful. Therefore, each and every limb of bhakti is very important. That is why we say, okay, let us apply everything in life. मैंने जब मैं तो शुद्ध भक्ति कर रहा हूँ ना, फिर भी चैरिटी दो थोड़ा, है ना? ऐसा है, is it not? You give charity. हमारे से charity तो lower principle है ना? नहीं, lower कुछ नहीं है. मैंने दे दो, आप बाद में समझ में आएगा ना? Like that, ना? तो क्या होता है? What is the point? The statistics show sometimes person goes here and there, मारा उड़ जाता है ना? है कि नहीं? The charity still remains because where money goes, permanent connection is there, है ना? तो पर्सन ये तो चला गया, और पर्सन थिंकिंग अरे मेरा पैसा किधर जा रहा है ना? So person will come running, है ना? When money goes, heart flows, है ना? Is it not? The person comes back and then everybody is telling अरे तुम्हारा माला किधर है ना? This and that, ना? I will take it up now. So you see, that is the point actually. And therefore, mode of goodness is very important in life. Vaishnava etiquette is very important in life. Measure is a lower principle. What lower principle, Baba? Maya can knock us down anytime. Beginning. Okay. So therefore, a sadhaka should take time to meditate. That yes, everything is not in my control. Let me depend on this. Let me acknowledge this dependence algorithms. Like that. At least I should pray to Krishna to ask something. If I cannot glorify, at least I can ask something. मुझे तो ज़्यादा होगा, मैं आपको दूँगा कभी तो लाइफ में, आपकी कृपा सही है ना, लेकिन first. So that's the principle being highlighted here. You see what the nature of the Lord. Just try to understand the nature of the Lord. So beautiful. Yajya shikshashina santo मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल विषये मुच्यन्ते देहं पापं ये पचन्ति आत्मकारणात्. The Devotees of the Lord are released from all kinds of sins because they eat the food which is first offered for sacrifice. Others who prepare for food for sense gratification verily eat only sin. The devotees of the Supreme Lord are persons who are in Krishna consciousness are called santas. And they are always in love with the Lord as it is described in Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Samhita. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena Santa Sadaiva Nideshu Vilokayanti. The santas being always in a compact of love with the Supreme Personality of Godhead Govinda, the giver of all pleasures, or Mukunda, the giver of liberation, or Krishna, the all-attractive person, cannot accept anything without first offering it to the Supreme Person. Therefore, such devotees always perform yajnas at different modes of devotional service, such as Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam, Arsanam, etc. And these performances of yajnas keep them always aloof from all kinds of contamination or sinful association with material world. Others who prepare food for the self or sense gratification are not only thieves but also eaters of all kinds of sins. How can a person be happy if he is both a thief and sinful? It is not possible. Therefore, in order for people to become happy in all respects, they must be taught to perform the easy process of Sankirtan Yajna in full Krishna consciousness. Otherwise, there can be no peace or happiness in the world. So we'll stop here. We'll continue tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. Srila Prabhupada ki Jantaraj Bhagavad Gita ki that is because of lack of jnana. Pure devotional service is not a sentimental affair. You have to walk the path. It's not a figment of imagination, actually. So one has to develop that maturity, and that maturity comes by jnana, actually. When we become more established in vision and understanding. So that comes by our endeavors, that comes by association of devotees of clarity. So by that we learn what is what. So many times we make our own boundaries of what is bhakti, what is not bhakti and all that. Krishna is not making boundaries. Why are we so interested in making boundaries? It's a simple principle. Where is the Lord making boundaries that we unnecessarily ourselves make boundaries? So the point is dependence on Krishna at the end of the day. And whatever level we are able to do and just and apply that dependence algorithm, it is success.
How do we judge where we are fitting? Which level we are fitting? How to judge?
Yeah, we can judge actually, because if where we are not fitting, instead of Krishna, we'll go to Maya. When material world starts appearing more attractive than devotee setup, मतलब गया. That's why we judge. उच्चारण शुद्ध भक्ति है ना. And all of a sudden one feels मैं यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा हूँ, घर में जाता हूँ ना, ट्रेन में उठता हूँ ना. So those kind of thoughts means you are gone actually, you're bowled out. Then why to unnecessarily artificially fake it? That is the point.
Accepting what Krishna gives me is the miseries.
That is dependence actually. So what we do is, what is Shastra teaching us is that in situations we should find the clue of Lord's mercy. That you search in the data and that you activate. Like
This is even applicable to Karma.
yeah, basically because karma kanda is also dependence कि मुझे अपने से नहीं मिलने वाला है, भगवान की शरण है.
But then we define devotion service as like whatever comes, we accept it gratefully. That means it's not the devotion service. It feels like everything is.
No, here the devotee is asking actually, give me this. Like that. That's karma kanda actually. And the devotee is asking.
Lord may give the
So fine, it is said that we can ask, there is no problem actually.
Bhakti Maharaj asking. Anand Bhagan put in this class. Bhakti Maharaj was asking.
Yes. Yeah, so he was asking, give me the strength to preach and convert people and all that. No? So what is wrong in taking shelter? As simple as that, actually. So the point is that many times in the name of some big things, we forget the simple thing that I have to connect with Krishna and take shelter of Krishna. It's a simple thing. That is the point. So material world is like that actually. At a given point of time, no? So, what happens is some taste in such aspect of material world. Say, some people is having a taste to watch a certain kind of serials. Some people is having a taste for watching cricket match. So, which level they are doing. They are not going into the book, but they are interested in certain fields of that person. Yeah, so that is not within the definition of bhakti. है ना? ये लूप में ही नहीं होता. ये लूप है. So you understood how glorious is this path, ना? ये तो लूप है ही नहीं, ये तो लूप केस. इधर लूप में है ना? कर्मकांड में आपको मूवी देखना है तो भगवान की भक्ति
कर भी ले
एटलीस्ट डेमिगॉड वर्शिप करो ना, कुछ तो मिलेगा ना. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है एक्चुअली. क्लियर है एक्चुअली ना. द क्लैरिटी इज व्हाट है ना. द क्लैरिटी जो भी करना है भगवान के आसपास करो ना. लाइक दैट ना, आसपास. तो भगवान और उनके डेमिगॉड्स लाइक दैट. तो डेमिगॉड वर्शिप क्यों बोल रहे हैं करने को? बिकॉज डेमिगॉड वर्शिप यू डू, यू गेट प्रैक्टिस्ड, एंड देन द सेम थिंग यू डू फॉर कृष्णा, वो भक्ति टाइप बन जाता है. वो कर्म मिश्रित भक्ति हो जाता है. दैट इज ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन कर्म कांडा एंड भक्ति. भक्ति वी कैन आस्क कृष्णा, कर्म कांड you are asking demigod. That is the only difference. But the Lord is telling, don't worry. Just like sometimes you have to solve a problem for a specific value. They said, okay, consider the variable x. You know, and formulate the problem, solve the problem. है कि नहीं? जो भी अलजेब्रा लगाना है, बुलियन फुलियन, व्हेन यू गेट अ सोल्यूशन x की वैल्यू कृष्णा डाल दो. See, this is the कर्म कांड टेक, है ना, लाइक दैट्स व्हाई द लॉर्ड इज टेलिंग कोई बात नहीं, उधर भी चालू करो बराबर गिरेगा ना. ऐसा समझ में आया? तो ये मूवी वो तो है ही नहीं, लूप में ही नहीं है, इधर क्या कर सकते है ना, ऐसा है.
तो जो ये वर्ष
अब डेमीगॉड का वर्शिप करके हेवनली प्लैनेट में शो देख के आए, वो अलग बात है ना. दैट इज कर्मकांड. ऐसा है.
वो प्योर माया है, प्योर माया.
किधर
सीरियल भी है, सीरियल
सीरियल?
सीरियल वो
क्रिकेट मैच.
तो भक्ति तो नहीं है. कर्मकांड भी नहीं लगता. मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल्बिषये भुजन्ते ते अगम पापम ये पचन्ति ठीक है. तो क्या है? वेरीली ईटिंग सिन, है ना. भुजन्ते ते अगम पापम. कई बार भक्ति क्या है समझ में नहीं आता, लेकिन भक्ति क्या नहीं है वो भी समझ गए तो बड़ी बात है ना. है कि नहीं? तो ऐसा है. One of our relatives very interesting. So he and his son were asking me questions, and he's chanting 4 rounds. His son is chanting 1. So son is serving these 12 dogs and how many cats. So the father is the father again making statement. इससे मुझे पता है मैं तो भक्ति नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन इतना मुझे बहुत अच्छे से पता है कि तुम जो कर रहे हो तो बिल्कुल ही सही नहीं है. मेरा ठीक है, हो सकता है नहीं हो सकता, तुम्हारा तो बिल्कुल ही है. तो एटलीस्ट भक्ति क्या नहीं है वो भी समझ में आ जाए तो धीमे धीमे भक्ति क्या है उस ट्रैक पे आदमी आ जाता है. ठीक है, इसे उनको पता है रेस्टोरेंट में खाना भक्ति नहीं है कि नहीं. क्या नहीं है वो भी समझ में आने लग जाए, क्या है ठीक से बन जाता है. ठीक है, और द पॉइंट. इसलिए भगवान बोल रहे हैं कहीं से चालू कर तो समझ में आएगा. ऐसा